figures the fact that Democratic election lies, for them, well, truth doesn't seem to matter, and they showed their true colors after 2016. Here's more from the montage that Marco Rubio posted on Twitter. Take a look.
Hacking the U.S. election.
Hacking the U.S. election.
Russia hacked our election.
The Russians hacked our election.
Russia hacked our election.
Russia hacked our election.
Russian hacking of our election.
Hacking of our election.
Russia hacked our election.
The universal assessment that Russia hacked our election.
We will see how illegitimate his victory actually was.
He's an illegitimate president.
Russia hacked our election.
Russians hacking our election.
Hacked our election.
Russia hacking our election.
I don't see the president-elect as a legitimate president.
More than 4 million people have already signed a petition on change.org, calling for the electors of the Electoral College to, quote, ignore their states' votes and cast their ballots for Secretary Clinton.
Let's bring in Fox News legal analyst Gregg Jarrett, former acting attorney general Matt Whitaker. Did Russia hack our election? Was the Trump-Russia collusion true? Because I read the Durham report and said no.
No, I wrote 2 books.
#1 bestseller.
Way back in 2018 was the first one, and I said it was all a hoax, that the dossier was phony. You know, Americans lived not just through Hillary Clinton getting away with crimes in her email scandal, but they watched as Hillary Clinton invented the Russia hoax, financed the phony dossier. James Comey and others at the FBI lied to the American public, to Congress, to the FISA court, and they all got away with it. And they tried to drive Trump from office with a hoax. And now they see the same sort of thing unfolding. Unscrupulous, unprincipled prosecutors whose sole goal is not the merits of the case they're bringing, but they hope to gain a conviction or to smear and sully Trump sufficiently to enable Joe Biden to win. The mantra is Biden can't win legitimately on his own, so we will help him by hook or by crook, and that's what's behind these 4 indictments.
You agree with that, Matt Whitaker?
Yeah, I do. And remember, they've now scheduled this first trial on the day before Super Tuesday, where 15 states plus American Samoa are going to go vote. And if you're thinking you can prepare for a trial and visit 15 states in the lead up to Super Tuesday, I mean, that's going to be impossible. So obviously what Gregg's saying is absolutely right. This is all planned and coordinated in order to try to prevent Donald Trump from being strong enough to win the election in November. But knowing the guy like I do, I don't think they're going to stop him.
What? I mean, you agree with me. I don't think you can get a fair trial in New York City or in D.C. or Fulton County, do you?
Yeah, but they're counting on the fact, these prosecutors, that he won't get a fair trial and that he'll be convicted. And they realize fully that they will likely be overturned in the courts of appeals.
But the trial will be before the election.
They don't care about getting overturned later. They care about stopping Trump now to help Joe Biden.
So that means, timeline-wise, that the trial will be held in the election year and the appeal will be after the election.
Yeah, but Fannie Willis down in Fulton County, Georgia, you know, is scuppered by her own schemes because she was dumb enough to charge 161 conspiratorial acts, 41 criminal charges, 19 defendants. It is impossible to try them all together with, let's say there's 2 lawyers per defendant. You're talking about 60 people just litigating the case, complex issues. She's overcomplicated. You know, a smart prosecutor streamlines the case. Just a handful of charges, 1 defendant. But no, Fannie Willis ain't smart, and she's been hoisted by her own petard in this case.
All right, Gregg Jarrett, Matt Whitaker, thank you both. We appreciate it. All right.